And here we are, Halloween evening.
Yep.
Around that time for dinner.
Yep.
Family gathered around the flame here.
And more ways than one. You didn't even have the baked beans yet.
Yeah. Going outside in the kitchen now.
Yeah.
Let's see, we got the burgers and the beans. See how we're going to do this. So we're going to take a little drop in there, that little pan, like so. Nice little coat. Just like that. Let me close this right here. I don't want to let all the heat in. Let all the cold air out. Put that on there just like that. Definitely want to conserve. Put that lid back on there. Yeah, get that grease going around there. There you go. Rub that around a little bit, let that get nice and loose. That's it. Make them burgers dance on there. This is how we do. Again. This is how we do. To be continued.